morning, everyone. I'm so happy to be here to be talking about some of the latest developments that we've been doing at the Central Bank of the UAE. I'm sure, as most of you are aware, the entire world of financial services has been undertaking significant changes, mainly driven by innovation, technology, and also a spirit of collaboration between regulators and the wider market. And let me tell you that the UAE hasn't just been keeping pace with what's happening globally, but we have been setting the bar, not only regionally, but also globally. So let me start a little bit by giving you a brief about our fintech strategy, which is in line with the UAE National Digital Strategy and the UAE 2031 vision. The central bank fintech strategy is comprised of 5 key pillars. Number 1, the regulatory framework. We aim to develop smart regulations that allow for innovation to grow in this country. Number 2, collaboration. We've been, just to date, collaborating with more than 60 central banks and more than 1,200 regulated fintech firms from all over the world and more than 800 financial institutions. Talent, especially AI readiness, has been at the center of what we do. We've been working closely with universities like MIT, Oxford, to help co-create programs that are very niche and very specific to upskill and reskill local talent. Of course, we can't forget our financial market infrastructure. We've been revamping the entire financial market infrastructure with building things like our instant payment platform, ANI, our CBDC, central bank digital currency, our virtual assets framework, and other key financial market initiatives. And then finally, strengthening the fintech ecosystem, allowing startups and banks and fintechs to come together, work together, all in a very collaborative way. Now, let me tell you how do we bring this vision into life. Just this year, we have issued 5 bespoke fintech regulations, bringing the total to 10 fintech, extremely comprehensive regulations at the central bank. One of the notable regulations is our stablecoin regulation. The stablecoin regulation, which is now becoming a global benchmark for other countries to follow, for the first time, allow for the issuance of a dirham stablecoin and focuses on a number of activities centered around stablecoin, from issuance to custody, conversion, and all activities and services related to stablecoins. Open finance is another key example. We have developed one of its kind open finance framework that allows fintechs and banks to seamlessly share data and carry out payment initiation activities. Our open finance regulation goes way beyond payments. It also includes insurance, banking, and soon enough, we will allow also for capital market products to be captured within our open finance framework. This is the way how we're moving the economy toward the digital economy and enabling an open data society. Now, of course, you may be asking, regulation is not enough. That's why we've been revamping completely our financial market infrastructure. If you take, for example, ANI, our instant payment platform, ANI allows you to initiate and settle payments in the UAE instantaneously. Soon enough, you will be able to make payments via facial recognition in the UAE, also through ANI. J1, our car domestic scheme, is the first of its kind, which will help us promote digital payments. We will be rolling out J1 scheme hopefully early next year, and it's going to be in phases. Al-Tariq, it's our open finance platform. And for the first time, we will be giving control back to the people to control and the way they want to manage their data, the financial services data and beyond. And more importantly, open finance will allow us for the first time to bring a whole range of personalized financial services products to the UAE market. Finally, the digital dirham, our central bank digital currency. With all the pilot phases by now complete, we're very ready to issue the digital dirham by early next year. The digital dirham is one of the groundbreaking projects that we've been working on at the central bank and will be one of the most comprehensive and sophisticated central bank digital currencies in the world. Now, of course, collaboration has been at the heart of what we're doing. And just to give you a quick example of what we're doing, we're helping UAE-based fintechs to expand and grow beyond the UAE into markets that were very difficult to do business in, especially from the UAE. Markets like the UK, India, Pakistan, Brazil, Singapore, Hong Kong, and many, many, many others. Take, for example, Project Aperta, which is led by the Bank of International Settlements, and the UAE, Brazil, India, and Hong Kong, and Singapore. Project Aperta will allow UAE-based fintechs, for the first time ever, to passport into other countries, allowing them to do business in a market of a population of more than 350 million people. So how about this as a game changer? The other initiative is our mBridge. We've been a founding member of mBridge along with China, Hong Kong, and Thailand, and it's the first largest and sophisticated cross-border wholesale CBDC payment infrastructure ever. We've processed so far more than $7 billion through the mBridge platform, and we are set to transform the way we transfer and conduct cross-border payments. So of course, you may be asking, what is next? Centralized eKYC platform, which we'll be launching very soon. It will allow for the first time to cut the onboarding time for SME account opening from sometimes 90 days to just a few hours. And this is going to be a complete game changer, something never has been done anywhere in the world at a nationwide at such a scale. The eKYC platform will be open to all financial institutions in the UAE, from banks, insurance companies, payment companies, fintechs, exchange houses, and then broker-dealers, and any other financial institution licensed in the UAE. Also, our innovation hub. Just 3 weeks ago, we launched our innovation hub in Dubai with an aim to bring everyone together, not only the regulators, but also banks, fintechs, big techs, large technology companies, and service providers, with an aim to help everyone to co-create and develop together new and innovative financial products and services. The Innovation Hub will serve as a bridge not only domestically, but also internationally, will allow us to reach other countries in a way where we can bring other countries to the UAE in a ways where it was very difficult to do, but now obviously doable with all the technologies. And this is going to be a groundbreaking innovation bridge that we will be launching soon through our Innovation Hub. So with this, let me ask everyone to join us in building the future of finance together. Thank you.